Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Jadhav. I am from 26th Feb batch. My today's subject is object-oriented programming in Java. Object-oriented program is a paradigm that provides the class, objects, inheritance, abstractions, polymorphisms, encapsulations, etc. The main aim of the object-oriented program is the main aim of the object-oriented program uh, is a implement a real world entity implement a real world entity such as the example object is objects like chair, watch, table are such are the real world entity that are the examples of the object. Object oriented programming have three concepts. State behavior and the identity. The example of the object is a dog, because that have the identity like a dog's name, and the state and behavior like dog's color, type, etc. The object oriented programming contain the contains concepts like inheritance, polymorphisms, abstraction, encapsulation. The inheritance means the the object class is inherited the properties of the parent class. Means the object class is implement extended by the parent class. Means in object class all the properties of the parent class allowed allowed. The second one is abstraction. Abstraction means hiding the hiding the data and the hiding the data abstraction means hiding the data, like a capsule, and the encapsulation means the binding the data in a single binding the data in a single unit. Binding the data in a single unit, like a capsule. The capsule in capsule there are the under capsule there are the some some molecules are present. So it's an example of the encapsulation. It is an example of the encapsulation. And the polymorphisms means polymorphism is a Greek word. The meaning of the polymorphism is poly means many, and the verbs means form. Means the means works the many methods. Works the many methods means the polymorphism. Means the polymorphism. An object can be defined as a instance of the class, and the object object contains the address, and takes up some space in a specific memory. Without object we cannot run the method. We cannot run the program. So object is a main property in a programming language. In a programming language, object oriented programming is a paradigm the to design a programming language, etc. It's all about the object and the object oriented programming in Java language. Thank you.